Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play No Hesi Assetto Corsa on Xbox. Unfortunately, it is crucial to understand that No Hesi is a PC-exclusive mod pack designed for the computer version of Assetto Corsa. Xbox consoles operate on a closed system, which means they do not support the direct installation of extensive third-party modifications like No Hesi. This fundamental difference prevents the mod from running natively on your Xbox console, making direct play impossible. The core reason No Hesi cannot be played on Xbox lies in the console's architecture. Unlike a personal computer, Xbox systems have restricted access to their file directories, preventing users from adding custom files or extensive mod packs. No Hesi relies heavily on PC-specific tools, such as the Assetto Corsa Content Manager and custom shader patches, which are simply not available or compatible with the Xbox operating system. This technical barrier ensures a consistent console experience, but limits modding. While No Hesi isn't an option, the Xbox version of Assetto Corsa still offers a fantastic racing simulation experience. You can dive into the official game content, including numerous cars and many laser scan tracks, and explore all available downloadable content packs. Engage in thrilling online multiplayer races, challenge your friends, and hone your driving skills with its highly realistic physics engine. The console version provides a robust and immersive simulation for racing enthusiasts. To summarize, No Hesi Assetto Corsa is a mod pack designed solely for the PC version of the game due to the open nature of computer systems. Xbox consoles, with their closed architecture, do not allow for the installation of such extensive third-party modifications. While you cannot play No Hesi on Xbox, the console version of Assetto Corsa provides a high-quality, immersive racing simulation experience with its official content. For the full modding potential, a gaming personal computer is necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.